Okay, this is the question 2. This is another past paper IB question from May 2025. And we are talking about paper 1, which is a non-calculator paper. Let's check the question, which is for 4 marks. Consider the function f of x, which is equal to x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 8, whilst x belongs to all real numbers. Find the derivative at 1, and then find the equation of the tangent. For part A, we're going to have to find first the derivative of x. Predominantly, this is a polynomial, so we're going to end up applying the power rule. So that's going to give us a 3x squared plus 10x. And then to find the corresponding derivative at 1, we just substitute for x is equal to 1, and that's going to give us 3 times 1 squared plus 10 times by 1. That's going to become 3 plus 10, which is equal to 13. Now, what we actually found here with 13 is essentially the slope of the tangent of f of x at the point x is equal to 1. Part A is pretty straightforward. Part B is a little bit more challenging because we're going to have to find the equation of the tangent of f of x at x is equal to 1. A couple of things you need to know. First of all, that the equation of the tangent can be written in multiple formats, but the one that's the most easy to handle with is the y minus yo is equal to the slope of the tangent at x minus xo, where xo comma yo in my case is going to be the 1 comma f of 1, because I need both values, the x value and the y value, whilst the tangent, the slope of the tangent, that would correspond to the derivative at 1 that I have already calculated from the part 1, and it's equal to 13. So I'm okay with that. What's missing is to find the corresponding y coordinate for x is equal to 1. So for the part B, we're going to carry on with the f of 1, not the f of 1, not the derivative. The f of 1, which is going to become 1 to the power of 3 plus 5 times 1 squared minus 8. That's going to give us 1 plus 5 minus 8. So 6 minus 8, which is going to give us the minus 2. So the point that I'm working is essentially the 1 comma negative 2, and the tangent, the slope of the tangent at that point is equal to 13. Therefore, I can straight away answer that question now, because it's going to become y minus minus 2 is equal to 13 times x minus 1, right? For xo being the 1 and yo being the negative 2. So one final step, that's going to become y plus 2 is equal to 13 times x minus 1. Now here the question is not asking you to put it in the format y equals mx plus c. So that would be considered a full answer, and it's going to give you full marks. In case, though, you've been asked to put it in the format of y equals mx plus c, all you have to do is just to expand the brackets and solve for y. So that's going to become y is equal to 13x minus 13 minus another 2, or otherwise y equals 13x minus 15. Be careful. If the question is not asking you to put it in that format, y equals mx plus c, you don't have to, and you will still get full marks during the grading by the IB.